Okay, so here I am in my Upwork dashboard, and on the first page on find work. Okay, so now as you can see I have my job feed set it to data entry and other details. As you can see here, data entry, my categories has data entry listed, and I'm going to click on data entry now to find jobs that has data entry related. um, the clients are in needed of data entry tasks. Okay, so here we are on the search result page of data entry category, and let me see if I can find a job here. And this one, long-term transcriber for short videos, one per video. And this is, although it's a transcription project, okay, you have to transcribe, you have to write something into a Word document or any maybe text document by listening a audio file. Okay, so it actually a data entry related projects. Okay, so it could be actually listed to a data entry project. And here we have a project which is eBay and Amazon listing. So in this project, what you have to do, you have to add products into a eBay or maybe an Amazon store. And here is another one which is a project for skillful Excel expert. I am looking for someone to create Excel spreadsheet from data provided by me. So if you have a good experience in Excel, you can apply on this job. And here is one I have found, that is, we need some printed reports put into a spreadsheet. Okay, so let me open this project because it seems a bit easy and it's only required a data entry skill. So I have data entry skill. Let me see what it is here. We need some printed reports put in we need some printed reports put into a spreadsheet. Okay, so they might have some pictures or maybe a PDF file, and we have to, or you have to transfer it, or you have to enter it to an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so let me read the job description from here. We have about 150 pages of contact information that we need extracted and put into a spreadsheet or CSV format. Okay, so they have 150 pages of contact information. Okay, let me see where are these. Okay, these are in a PDF file. I'm going to download the file. Okay, downloading, and let me read the other section. We have about, okay, we already read, and there are approximately 700 records in total. Basic fields required. So clients are in needed of first name, last name, email, phone, category, and address. And a sample of the file attached, which we have already downloaded. Quality must be excellent and faster turnaround required. So client needs this job to be done faster. Okay, so now I'm going to open the spreadsheet, open the PDF, and I'm going to open a spreadsheet to show you how this work needs to be done. Excel, and we have to find information for these fields: first name, last name, email, phone, categories, address. Okay, so these are the basic fields or required fields that client needs from us, and we have to extract them from this spreadsheet. Let me zoom in a bit. Sorry, this PDF, actually I made a mistake. Okay, so here client needs the first name, last name, email, phone, category, and address. Let me see where is the first name. Okay, so here managed by, these are the peoples, two peoples are managing. So let me took information for one manager. Here is the name, Karuna Daimlow. First name is Karuna. Okay, Dimelow. And email, let me find the email. Okay, so here no email address for this contact, but it's okay. We are going to the next field, which is a phone number. So here we have to, if we have to put the phone number, as I am seeing the a 0 in front of the phone number. So if I just normally put the phone number, it will be a wrong phone number. I'm going to show you what I mean. 04010899202. Okay, so if I just enter, then you just notice that the 0 before the 4 has been disappeared. Okay, so it is a wrong phone number. To make this right, we have to format these cells. We have to click here and format cells, then click on text, and then OK. And now if I add the 0 before the 4, it will be the accurate number. Okay, so I have collected the phone number. It's time to collect the categories. Here are the categories: potential seller, BUYER, and in address field we have QLD, not street, no other information, just straight QLD. Okay, so first entry has been completed, and now let me see if I can find an entry with the email address. Now if we have got a question that I have got the email address empty, why is there going to be a problem? And the answer is no, it's not going to cause any problem, because clients already know that there has no email address on their resource page. Okay, so it's okay to keep it blank and move forward. Now let me see if I can find an email address. Okay, so here we have got a contact with email address. I'm going to fill up the spreadsheet by collecting this information for this information. Okay, so I'm going to find the name Liam Mahoney, and here it is, first name, last name, and let me collect the email address jack.biring@hotmail.com, and then we have to collect the phone number. Here is the phone number, and we have already, the cell is formatted. And now if I put the 0 before the 4, it will be fine. 5526 788 04155 04155 26788, sorry, 26788. And then I have to collect the address. So here is the address. We have got street address 11 COLBRANABENUE KENTHURST. I'm sorry, I'm not too fast. It's W2156. Okay, so I have collected the address information, and oops, it should be here. I made a mistake, but I just corrected this, so it's okay. And now I have to collect the categories here: SELLER, and then BUYER, buyer. Okay, so this is the information that client is looking for, and now I'm going to apply on that job, and I'm going to attach the file as an example for client's review. So let me make some improvement here. Oops. Okay, so here we go. It's too big. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm saving this as an with the name example for data entry, and it is under documents tab. Okay, documents folder, not actually tab. And let me move back to the job post, and I'm going to apply on the job post. So here we have two questions. So two interviews took almost 5 minutes. So if there is 700, so let me see, 1400 divided, sorry, where is it divided, 60, 23 hours. Wow, let's say big number of hours. So I'm going to click on submit proposal, and here is the option to choose your hourly rate. So as I am charging $10 an hour, so it's okay to keep it here, and I'm moving So let me demonstrate few things here. So my hourly rate is $10, but Upwork will deduct 20% fee, and which is $2, and I will actually receive $8 an hour. Okay, so now I'm going to write a cover letter. Before I forget, I have to upload the file, because most of the time I forget to upload the example files, example data entry, and uploaded. Now let me just answer this question. Please advise approximate hours to complete. So as I have found, this will take almost 23.5 hours. Let me just say it will take almost 24 hours to complete the project, working hours to complete the project, and I will able to review just 2 days with high accuracy. Okay, are you going to be doing data entry, or will you be using a third party? So here, what did he mean by third party? He mean that if I am going to use any software to transcribe or translate this, sorry, to transform the PDF file to a Word file. So let me try one PDF OCR. Okay, onlineocr.net. This is a nice website, I think. Let me see if it's familiar to me. Yes, this is a nice website. Let me see if I can, or if I could be able to uh, transfer the file from PDF to Word. Downloads, what is the file name? DOC100518. I mean downloads DOC. Okay, here is the file. Open, and I'm going to click on convert. Okay, so I made a little mistake. I could actually convert it to Excel. Okay, and I think I have to upload it again. DOC, here is the file, and Excel convert. Oops. So there is, it's not working. Okay, this converter is not working, and the only process is I have is by typing out, as I have showed here. So I'm going to tell the client that I have tried in OCR program, it didn't work, so I have to type them out. Okay, so I have answered the questions that is really important to be considered for a project. And now I'm going to write the cover letter. Hi, I have added an example spreadsheet by completing 2 entries from the PDF file that you have attached on the job post. Please review and let me know your feedback. It would be nice to have the opportunity to assist you project find regards. Okay, so that's it. And so here I have wrote the cover letter, which is a unique cover letter dedicated for this particular project. And here I have the question answered, and I have attached the example file for client's review. And now it's time to click on submit. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so I have successfully applied to a job post, and if I get the job, then I have already showed you how I have to complete the task. I have to complete all the tasks by manually typing, and there are 700 entries. Okay, so that's the process how you will find a job online, and particularly on Upwork. You can use other online platforms as well, like Fiverr. You can use freelancer.com. You can use peopleperhour.com. Okay, there are several websites out there. You can find data entry jobs, and you can earn money online.